This is a soap dispenser, but it's not just a soap dispenser. It's an addition to a big series where it's a tissue dispenser and there's a bin and there's a cup dispenser. And that's why that it has this square form, because it's the same design for the other items. There will be a small indicating sign here that tells whether it's soap or it's foam soap or it's disinfection that you get in your hand. This is one of the really D-Line classics, and right now it's been updated. Actually, it's the same design as it's been for many years, 20 plus years, but all what's inside is completely new. Now we have changed it so that it's a free choice, of course, because the customer gets all these when he buys the product, and he can decide whether he would use it for this or that, or he will buy two and make a difference of them. It's the same container inside, and by very small adjustments you can decide whether it's this or that comes out of it. So you can actually have 3 items of these sitting right beside each other with 3 different colors.
Every time you meet a new client, a new job, it's bloody exciting, and it's starting on a fresh, and you have to really demand yourself to now being competitive, because in the end you end on a German Messe. And here you see all the products from the whole world, and if you are not competitive there, you are not a designer which are asked to do new jobs.